What up, though, YouTube? What up, what up? Good morning, good morning. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Hey, man, it is a beautiful day here in Detroit. Well, it's going to be a beautiful day. It's about 40-something right now, and we're getting it up to about 60, 65. So, yeah, we're going to get some work done on Suki, my 23 Road Glide. And, yeah, what I want to take care of today is, well, I'll tell you what. Watch the following video, and I'll catch you on the other side. Today is a good day, very good day, special day. If you don't know, my 23 Road Glide Suki is finally getting her exhaust upgrade that she's been desperately needing. And we are at S&S Cycles. Hold on a second. S&S. They're out in Redford, Michigan. Right outside, like a couple seconds outside of Detroit. And this is her. This is Suki. 23 Road Glide. Got some minor updates to it, y'all. Changed the mirrors, grips, floorboards, all that good stuff. So what we getting done to the bike today is, you can see, we got the Tab Performance 2 and the 2. And we're gonna rock the Tab Band Sticks 4.5.
So we're gonna switch.
And with the Dynamo Jet Power Vision 4 tune. So yeah, these are the cats at S&S, man.
Put grease in there, and then I take it go get it. I gotta go drop grease off, pick another one up.
Thanks a lot, brother.
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
you, man.
Always.
Oh yeah? Did you?
Yeah.
What's your name, bro? Sean. What'd you do to it, bro? Hey y'all, this is Sean. This is his bike right here.
Okay.
Put my cousin bought a 22 Street Glide brand new. I put a fat tire on it for him. I took it for a test ride. Didn't want to give it back. Rode it, loved it. You know? Always said when I bought a new bike, that's what I was going to do to my bike. Put a fat tire on it. I put a fat tire on my 22 Street Glide when I bought it, and then the boss bought one and put one on his 22 Road Glide. Put a fat tire on his 22 Road Glide. Well, he went to Sturgis as soon as I put it on, he went to Sturgis. He comes back from Sturgis, he's got a 17 Street Glide, Screaming Eagle, you know, fully custom CBO, and he says, we're changing that, we're putting a fat tire on the front, take that ugly 21 off, and put the fat 18 on there for me.
How do you like the fat?
Love it, dude.
It rides good?
It rides like a Cadillac.
Really?
You don't feel none of that stuff in the road.
Okay.
You don't feel none of those bumps.
Okay.
You don't feel, like when they put that tar in the road with those squiggly lines, you don't feel, sometimes it'll grab your tire.
The little road snakes?
Yep. Done. You don't feel that shit no more. None.
Does it need, you have to do any adjustment to the?
No.
Just,
So you use your stock.
Uh-huh.
You use your stock tubes.
okay.
You'll get some oversized cans.
Okay.
Which is the bells.
Yep.
You'll get some oversized bells, and then you'll get the fat tire and all that. And
That's it.
You get the front fender.
I'll be seeing you soon.
The front fender, yes.
My man. See, I'm telling you, these guys, they educate me, man. They educate me. All right. And got another person working on it. Hi, what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie?
Yes.
This is Stephanie, y'all. J&R Cycles. One of the great people here that getting my motorcycle together for me. And like I say, man, since I've been here, everybody that works here has just been incredible people, man. So again, if you need any work done to your motorcycle, J&R Cycles, bring it here. They take care of you. They're friendly people, man. They're good people and easy to be around. And yeah, I'm enjoying my experience. So again, J&R Cycles on Lasher Road, just outside of Detroit. Come on and bring your bikes up here.
You want to keep your older dog? You want to keep your older dog?
Nah.
Okay, no? Alright, well.
All right, the stock bullshit is coming off. Bye-bye, oh baby. You are no longer required. Ooh-wee. There you go, y'all. That is the TAD Performance 2x2. And that should be on in a couple minutes. I will show it to you when it's on. Be right back. That's the old pipe. Don't need that. On with the new. The old head pipe. Bye-bye. Look at that, y'all. We are a step closer and more. Looking good. All right, Head pipe is on. Both sides. See the duals. Real duals on there. This should, on the low end, y'all, this should relieve my little poop problem on the low RPMs. It's actually working.
Well, Russ is a professional model. Come on, Russ.
All right, looky, guys.
You know how you do your shirt to post for the bike.
The exhaust is in. She's just buttoning it down now, and gonna put the puppy back together, and I should be hearing the new exhaust here within the next couple hours. All right, folks. I'll see you on the flip. All right, y'all. See the young man right there. What's your name, sir?
Old school.
Old school.
My club right
This gentleman right here did 24 states in 4 days. I don't want to hear no shit from none of y'all. Nothing. Okay? I don't want to hear nothing from any of you. Right here, bruh. Yonder. Sir Yonder. Okay?
I'm about to pull out the next month or month after next and do the 24 on the West Coast.
Y'all hear that? He doing the 24 to the West Coast.
Yes, sir.
All right, so like I said, I don't want to hear no complaints from none of y'all. All right, this the real deal right here.
Old.
Old school right here, my man. Appreciate you, bro.
All right.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Stephanie has just buttoned everything back up. Everything's put back together, and this is the very first cold start after the install. Here we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, everybody. What up, though? We back, and I am at J&R. This is the owner. What's your name, sir?
Jeff.
Jeff. I just want to tell Jeff that out of all the shops I've been to, this is by far the best. Hands down, the people that work here are the best that I've encountered since, riding motorcycles, and big shouts to this shop here. If you guys need work, I've said it once, I've said it twice, I've said it 3 times. Bring your shit here.
I appreciate it, buddy.
Bring it here. That's a great guy right there. This man, I don't know him, but he look cool as hell.
Oh my God.
There, see, he look cool as hell.
Specialties, yo.
There you go.
He's my drag specialty rep, so any of the parts, anything you need, Harley, he's the guy that gets them all.
Did y'all hear that? What's your name?
Glenn,
Glenn.
Detroit Drag Rep. So all your aftermarket parts and accessories that you need for your bikes, come here. We supply him. We supply all of Michigan, all of shit, pretty much the whole U.S.
There you go. This is the man to see right here, Glenn. All right, fellas, I appreciate it. All right, y'all. Hey, I had some video equipment issues, so I couldn't use my Insta360 to go ahead finish up the install video and the ride home or the ride to the J&R Cycles. So it's gonna be all phone videos, unfortunately, but I'll do the best I can. But wanted to give you an update after the exhaust install. I gotta say, man, I'm so happy. It sounds incredible. I can just guarantee you the videos will not do it any justice. So, but yeah, so I'm just gonna give you a quick little update, introduce you to Suki officially. So here we go. So this is Suki. This is my 23 Road Glide Custom. Now, when I first got the bike, it didn't have most of this on there, okay? So let's go over the things I put on the bike since I've had it. The first thing I did was change the bars to 14-inch 8s. Along with that, I changed the mirrors, the grips. I added the grip covers, the grip shield, the windshield. Added the lowers, changed out the floorboards, the highway pegs, the shifter linkage. I don't know exactly what that's called, but yep. Also added the crash bars, the tour pack with the speakers, the rack. Went on and changed the lights out, smoked out the lights. Also got the air shocks. Now they're not the old ones, but they are excellent. Excellent. I'll leave a description of and a link down in the description for those. And here's the BAM sticks, 4.5s with the tab 2-2. Got the Ireland Nest Super air sucker. Yeah, just some changes to the bike. And one of the big things that actually helped me out a great deal was this windshield. When I was taking long trips or rides over 4 hours on that stock shield, man, it would my helmet would just go all over the place, and I would get tightening of the neck and all that. So, but anyway, let's go ahead fire it up so y'all can hear what it sounds like. Like I say, the video probably will not do it any justice. Give me 1 sec, y'all. All right, here we go. Now the engine is a little warm because I did take it out the garage and bring it here, so it's not an official cold start. But I tell you, it sounds incredible. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and my neighbor's still sleeping, so I need to chill out with that. But yeah, she sounds fantastic. Again, J&R Cycles did an excellent job, man. I cannot tell you how happy I am. They got me in and got me out. A few hours, literally. Called me and said, hey, bring it up. I got it there, and a couple hours, I think like 2.5, 3 hours, they had me in and out. So, I am going to take it out on a ride later on this evening. I'm trying to get my technical shit together, my camera stuff. My SD card's not reading in my camera. So, but anyway, I get all that together, and hopefully I'll get a ride video out to you ASAP. It's the first video of 2026, and as you can see, Detroit, Michigan right now, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be 71 degrees today, so hopefully I'll go ahead and get that SD card situation fixed and get you guys on the road with me. But until then, pew.